The Odyssey Performance Trainer is North America's premier horse exerciser and is the perfect machine for all your horse training and rehabilitation needs. The Odyssey has been developed to maximize the potential of all horses regardless of breed or function. Whatever your discipline, your horses will benefit from a regular, controlled, and safe exercise routine with the Odyssey. The professional horse involved in any form of competition has to be in top physical condition to compete at the highest levels and win. Peak performance is much easier to achieve and maintain with the help of a regular exercise routine. There is no better way to ensure that your horses are in their top form than with an Odyssey Performance Trainer. Endurance and strength training are just some of the benefits that can give you the winning edge. As you know, regular daily exercise is a vital part for the health and well-being of all breeds of horses. The Odyssey makes this daily chore a breeze with significant labor and time savings. This innovative machine can accommodate from 4 to 8 horses and can be used to exercise any breed of horse. With regular use, the Odyssey Performance Trainer will help to increase the performance levels, extend the endurance, enhance the appearance, and build the strength levels of all horses. It is an essential part of any professional farm. Before the Odyssey Performance Trainer, there were very few options to choose from to ensure that your horses receive the exercise they required to maintain, let alone build, their fitness levels. The most common of these methods is lunging, which in the hands of a skilled professional can give the horse adequate exercise, but is very time-consuming and labor-intensive, and you can only lunge one horse at a time. The hot walkers were the first machines developed to replace lunging, but it was soon discovered that tying the horse's head in an unnatural position could lead to musculoskeletal disorders. There is no chance of that with an Odyssey horse exerciser. The last method is turning horses out into a paddock. This is probably the least constructive of all the past training methods, due to the horse's lack of motivation to exercise. The Odyssey Performance Trainer was specifically designed to aid in the training, conditioning, and rehabilitation of horses. With the Odyssey, you have a safe, controlled environment to train and condition your horses to their optimum fitness levels. Our goal is to eliminate the training restrictions of the past and to increase the fitness levels and profit margins of the professional farm. With the ability to exercise up to 8 horses at one time, the savings in time alone makes the Odyssey a worthwhile investment. Depending on the size of your farm, labor costs can be reduced by as much as 80%, and in some cases, it can pay for itself in as little as 6 months. The Odyssey is very user-friendly, from its easy-to-use computer interface to its low maintenance requirements. It will give you many years of trouble-free operation. There are 10 pre-installed training programs to choose from, which were developed by horse training professionals to give the Odyssey the widest range of training and conditioning choices on the market. The state-of-the-art computer control interface is very easy to understand and operate with its large screen display. Many of our customers have told us that it is very easy to get the horses used to the Odyssey. For the first time, they'll take the horses for a quick walk, 2 or 3 times around the track. This is usually enough to get the horses used to the machine. After just a few days, the horses are looking forward to their exercise time. To show you just how easy the Odyssey is to operate, we will take you through a typical training session. The average session lasts from 20 to 40 minutes, depending on the program you choose. Positioning of the Odyssey is an important consideration. You don't want to have it too far from your stalls. Loading is quick and easy with the loading or walking speed feature. This runs the machine at a slow enough speed to safely load the horses and close the outer gate. A 6-horse Odyssey can be completely loaded in just over 10 minutes. When the Odyssey is full, simply select the training program you desire, and the Odyssey will do the rest. The training area is approximately 30 feet long by 8 feet wide. This gives the horses ample room to exercise both safely and efficiently. The computer then runs the horses through a predetermined workout routine, starting with a warm-up walk, then a trot, followed by a canter. then back to a cool-down walk. The programs are designed to give you a wide range of choices. Most programs consist of three main components: direction of travel, speed, and time. The first component is direction of travel. The Odyssey can run in both clockwise and counterclockwise rotation. This gives versatility to the routine. The second component is speed. The speed range of the Odyssey is from a complete stop up to 19 miles an hour. These speeds are broken down into three categories: a walk, a trot, and a canter. The third component is time. The program is set to operate for a predetermined amount of time in one direction and at a certain speed. Increased social skills, especially in stallions, is one of the many other benefits that the Odyssey offers. Also, horses become much easier to manage in unfamiliar surroundings and around machinery. In today's horse market, it is essential to have your yearlings in top physical condition in order to maximize your profit margins. With the Odyssey Performance Trainer and a daily training regimen, you can ensure that your yearlings will fetch top dollar at sale time. When the training session is over, the unloading is just as quick and easy as loading. Simply open the gate and remove the horses. The Odyssey has many safety features which are designed to prevent serious injury should a horse get into trouble while training. One of the most important safety features is the drive shutdown. This feature will stop the machine if there is too much resistance placed on the gates. The gates are designed to swing freely on a hinge system that will allow for the horses to pass underneath if they should get into trouble or decide to stop for any reason. At the bottom of each gate is a durable rubber skirt that will protect the horse's back and head from injury should they get into trouble and the gate pass over them. The space between the gates and the inner and outer fence remains constant. This prevents the horses from attempting to pass by. Another of the safety features is the emergency stop button, which is placed on the side of the control panel and is very large for quick, easy access. There is also a main power lockout, which enables you to lock out the power from the entire unit, allowing you to effect any repairs and perform general maintenance in complete safety. Our highly trained staff construct the Odyssey at our fully stocked 30,000 square foot high-tech manufacturing facility. The Odyssey is constructed from the highest quality materials and goes through rigorous quality control inspections. All structural steel components are welded and hot-dip galvanized for durability. The Odyssey Performance Trainer is available in several configurations. The standard configurations range from 50 to 80 feet in diameter and from 4 to 8 horses. Custom sizes are available. We will build you an Odyssey to fit your needs.
Walker for every horse in the operation on a daily basis. The benefits we're getting from it are not only conditioning, but we have a more settled, concentrating horse by the time we do go to ride them and train them. It's an outstanding piece of equipment. Every operation should have one. For years and years, I've wanted a horse exerciser, and I've looked all over the world, really, at them in all my travels, and I never saw one that struck me as the model I'd really like to have until I saw the Odyssey. Every horse operation is going to have a certain number of injuries, strains, bumps, bruises, things that happen to the horses, and because of the wide range of programs on our Odyssey horse walker, we can find and or have tailored a program to help rehab a horse that has been injured. And I think that's another critically important use of the Odyssey horse exerciser. Anything we do around Millerbrook Farm always has its foundation in safety, safety, safety. And the Odyssey horse exerciser is, as far as I can see, the safest piece of equipment on the market. Odyssey is the one that I finally came across that I thought would really meet all our needs, and I couldn't be more pleased with it. We're into 6 months with it now, and there's just not one thing I'd change about it. As I said to them at Odyssey, I said it's hard to improve on perfection, and you have achieved perfection in your very fine walker.
Now that you know all about the Odyssey Performance Trainer, We hope that you will feel confident that the Odyssey is the right machine for your horses and your farm. Thank you for your interest in the Odyssey Performance Trainer, and we hope that the information that you have just seen will help you in making an educated decision on the purchase of a horse exerciser. For more information, or if you wish to purchase or lease an Odyssey Performance Trainer, call toll-free in the US and Canada 1-800-765-7004. That's 1-800-765-7004.